Dear scholars, let us see the summary and explanation of the lesson A True Story of Sea Turtles. So, here we will see about two paragraphs that is given on page number 31. So, what is the first paragraph about? So, as the author of the lesson, Bhau Kadare, who is Sahyadri Nisarga Mitra, and some of his colleagues were surveying the white-bellied sea eagles in the summer that year. What they come to know, that is, they get an unusual experience, unusual occurrence. So what is that occurrence? Let us see. So as they all were serving, what they were serving? White-bellied sea eagles. So for that purpose only they were roaming the coasts, and suddenly one of the volunteers, one of the colleagues, or one of the member of their group saw shallow pits with white eggshell nearby. So when they discussed with the villagers, they revealed means disclosed, to make something open. So from the villagers, they came to know about turtle eggs. So whatever eggshells they saw, they were of turtle eggs. So this was the great surprise for all of them to see the turtle eggs over there, because they had never come across turtle eggs in their walks on the beaches, along the beaches of Konkan, in all those years. So what is what they did? They decided to study the unusual occurrence. Here occurrence means incident. So they decided to study about, and for that purpose only they started enquiries. So what they came to know, that is, the beach where they had found the egg shells had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month. It was sealed. The people nearby were not allowed to wander or go to that place. What is the reason behind? It is given in the next line. After people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area. So here silver brick stands for salt. So as the people there smuggling silver bricks, the area had been sealed for the public, to the public in that nearby places. But what we learnt further shocked us to the core. So whatever author and his colleagues came to know, that was completely shocking. What was that? Let us see in the next paragraph. So in this paragraph we will come to know what was shocking. So it is about business of gathering turtle eggs and killing them, killing turtles. So all this business was going on in very secret manner, though the turtles, killing turtles is the crime, though people were doing so. So let us see something more about it. Turtles nest along the entire coastline of our state. There are few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours of morning. Here, combing means searching. So, people in the nearby villages, they just search, they just keep combing the beach for what? For the turtles to find their eggs. When the female when the female turtle comes on shore to nest and lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail. Here, trail means mark, footprints. So, such a trails are left behind by the female turtle as she go to the nest and lay egg. So, whatever egg hunters are there, they follow the trail. The trail or those prints or those marks help the egg hunters to reach the nest. So, what is the specific about nest? The nest, which is about half a meter deep. So, whatever egg hunters are there, they follow it, they reach to the nest and they just eat up them. Or if the human beings are there, they collect them, they eat up them, they sell them. So what they do, they dig up the nest and still all the 100 to 150 eggs that are laid inside. So all these are uh, stolen by the people, especially if animals are there, they are eaten. These eggs are then either eaten or sold in the market. So this is first thing, that is about of business of gathering turtle eggs and selling it, eating or selling it. What is next? If a turtle is spotted while it is still laying egg, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. So such a turtles are allowed to live, to lay the egg. What are done later on? As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught. Who is caught? That turtle is caught and then killed and then eaten. So this is bad about the turtles. At first the people are stealing their eggs, that is wrong, and later on catching the turtles after laying eggs, killing them and eating them. So this was the another wrong deed, crime was going in such areas, that is coastline of Maharashtra. So author is mentioning this ruthless practice. What is ruthless? Merciless, having no mercy. So it was the merciless practice, ruthless practice, and still it is observed in all parts of the world. But however, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under, it is that section, schedule first of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. So uh, art- according to this act, the turtles in India have been given protection. So what is the meaning of this protection? That means turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. So hunting tigers is one of the biggest crime. The same way hunting turtles is the same kind of crime. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtle egg and killing turtles is carried on in a secret hush hush manner. So here hush hush manner stands for very very secret manner. Secretly it was going on there. So whatever this information author and his colleagues came to know, that was distressing for all of them, as they were as they are Nisarga Mitra. We began to think seriously about it. We decided to undertake a project. So, author and his group decided to undertake a project. What was that project? That is the protection and conservation of turtles and their nest in Maharashtra. So, here, as the author and his group came to know about what is wrong going on, so they decided to undertake this project. So this is all about the two paragraphs given on page number 31. I hope you all will understand the given explanation and the summary. Remaining paragraphs, some of the remaining paragraphs we will learn through the next video.